Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is immigration attorney Ebony Faro, and I like to help individuals understand and navigate the complex world of U.S. immigration law. So if you're applying for U.S. citizenship or planning to in the future, this video will be helpful for you. Today I'm going to be talking about some of the most common reasons why U.S. citizenship applications get denied and how you can avoid those pitfalls. So one of the most common reasons for a denial is not meeting the eligibility requirements. To apply for naturalization, you need to meet certain criteria. You must be a lawful permanent resident, which is a green card holder, for a required amount of time, and usually it's 5 years, unless you're married to a U.S. citizen, and then the time frame would be 3 years. You need to have lived in the United States for at least half of that time. If you apply too early or you don't meet the residency requirement, then your application could be denied. So you want to always double check the eligibility timeline before applying. Criminal history is another major reason for citizenship denials. So if you've been convicted of certain crimes such as fraud, drug offenses, aggravated felonies, it could make you ineligible for citizenship. Even minor offenses could raise questions about your good moral character, which is also another key requirement in applying for naturalization. So if you have a criminal record, it's essential for you to speak with an experienced immigration attorney before applying. An attorney could determine if your record could affect your case and what steps need to be taken. Speaking of good moral character, this is another key area where applicants run into a lot of trouble, because good moral character isn't just about avoiding crimes. It also means things like paying your taxes, supporting your dependents, and being truthful on your applications. For example, failing to pay child support or lying during your interview or previous immigration application could lead to a denial. So you always want to be honest and upfront on your applications during any immigration process. Another common reason for denial is not meeting the continuous residence and physical presence requirement. If you've taken long trips outside of the US, especially trips lasting 6 months or more, it could disrupt your continuous residence in the US. There are some exceptions and ways to preserve your residency in some cases, but you need to plan carefully. So if you've been outside of the US for extended periods of time, please consult with an immigration attorney to see how this might impact your case. And finally, many applicants struggle with the English and Civics test. These are important parts of the naturalization process, and failing them could delay or even deny your application. The good news is that you get 2 chances to pass each test, and there are plenty of resources to help you study. There are resources on the internet, YouTube, on my website. There are books that you can buy. So there is so much and so many ways that you can prepare to pass the English and Civics exam if that is something that you're worried about. So if you're also over a certain age, or if you qualify for an exception based off of a disability, you might be able to apply for an exception or accommodations. So be sure to bring this up and ask your attorney to see what your options are if this sounds like something you might need. And there you have it. These are some of the common reasons why U.S. citizenship applications get denied. There might be other examples, but these are some of the main ones. If you're thinking about applying for naturalization and want to make sure your application is strong, you can reach out to an experienced immigration attorney who can guide you through the process. We help so many people apply for naturalization here in our office, and we'll be happy to help you as well. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you found it valuable, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share the video with someone who might need it, and tune in for our next immigration update or immigration video, and I will see you next time. Take care.